Hi there, boys and girls. Today we are going to do another oral blending review lessons. We're reviewing words with vowel combinations ah, spelled A-U and A-W, ah. The first set of words are spelled with A-U. So first we have alt, fault. Os, pause, all, haul, lunch, 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 it, faucet, all, Paul, aunt, hunt, sauce, auto, cause. The second set of words also stands for the same sound, but spelled with A-W. We have awful, awful, paw, saw, draw, crawl, law, lawn, yan, yan, fun. One more time. Fun. Claw, dawn. Dawn is right before dark. Dawn. So, the two sentences we have. At dawn, Paul mows the lawn. Period. Capital at the beginning and marks at the end. One more time. At dawn, Paul mows the lawn. We saw a fawn on the lawn. Capital at the beginning and marks at the end. We saw a fawn on the lawn. So, don't forget to keep practicing. Watch the video many times and be your own teacher. You can practice it as if you're me. Okay? So keep practicing. Thank you for doing the blending lesson with me.